How to pass your PACES exam in 2025 within 3 to 5 months. Hello everyone. Today, I'll explain how you can successfully pass your PACES exam within 3 to 5 months of preparation. As we all know, MRCP PACES and MRCPI PACES are highly prestigious exams recognized worldwide. After clearing Part 1 and Part 2, PACES is the final hurdle to obtaining this valuable qualification. Naturally, every candidate wants to pass as soon as possible. However, I must emphasize that PACES is not easy. It is a well-structured, highly organized examination that requires dedicated preparation. You must put in your best effort, stay committed, and work smartly to succeed. Key steps to pass PACES efficiently. 1. Understand the exam structure. Before you begin your preparation, you must thoroughly understand the number of stations, the duration of each station, the sequence of stations, the clinical skills assessed in each station. 2. Develop a disciplined study plan. Consistency is key. To succeed, you should dedicate 3 to 5 hours daily for PACES preparation. Spend at least 2 hours per day seeing patients and practicing clinical examinations. Use the remaining 3 hours for group discussions with colleagues. Study group strategy. Forming a small study group, 3-4 members, can be very effective. Rotate roles within the group. One person plays the surrogate patient. Another performs the clinical examination. A third observes and provides feedback. A fourth keeps track of time. Practicing under timed conditions will help simulate the real exam environment. 3. Supervised and structured preparation. For effective preparation, consider supervised study. Join online courses or attend mock PACES sessions where you can practice with real patients. Online resources. Many well-structured courses provide updated case scenarios. Case presentation practice. Practice with colleagues, mentors, or even in front of a mirror to improve communication skills and build confidence. 4. Recommended study materials. To enhance your preparation, I recommend the following books. Write and Mere Cases for PACES. The Pocketbook for PACES. These books provide valuable insights into different case scenarios and effective communication techniques. 5. Utilize video subscriptions. Watching examination videos can help you understand the UK method of clinical examination, which is polite, structured, and smooth. Improve confidence in transitioning from one examination step to another. For this, I suggest subscribing to past test video resources to get a better grasp of examination techniques. 6. Join an online PACES course. Enrolling in an online PACES preparation course will provide exposure to recently tested cases, guidance on history taking, case presentation, and physical examination skills, training on answering examiners' questions effectively, supervised learning to improve communication, clinical reasoning, and diagnostic skills. For a well-structured course, I highly recommend PACES Preparation Pulse Academy. Our academy offers a comprehensive and up-to-date case bank, direct supervision by experienced instructors, training on clinical history taking, examination techniques, and patient interaction. By following these strategies and working consistently, you can successfully pass your PACES exam in 2025 within just 3 to 5 months. On the day of the exam, before the exam begins, you will be in the waiting area with 4 other candidates. Some may engage in discussions about the exam, but I strongly advise you not to participate. Stay calm and composed. Nervous candidates can unintentionally make you anxious. Shortly after, the PACES lead examiner will visit to explain the examination process and layout, offer words of encouragement, help you stay calm and focused. This visit is important, so listen carefully and follow instructions. Starting the examination. Before the exam begins, you will be assigned to your starting station, which varies among candidates. Some may begin with the communication skills station, while others may start with neurological examination or another station. You will be guided to your designated station a few minutes before the start, where you will have 5 minutes to prepare. Approach for different stations. Communication skills stations. Read the scenario word by word and analyze key points. Use the provided white paper to structure your approach. Plan your introduction, agenda, and main discussion points. Consider possible hidden concerns that the patient or relative may bring up. Stay empathetic, clear, and professional throughout. Long clinical consultation stations. Read the scenario carefully and plan your approach. Structure your history-taking and examination sequence. Prepare 5 possible differential diagnoses before entering. Be flexible. Your differential diagnosis may change based on history and examination findings. Clinical examination stations. Unlike other stations, no scenario is provided beforehand. Mentally map out the examination sequence before entering. Be prepared for potential unexpected findings. Inside the examination room. Once inside, follow these steps. 1. Introduce yourself to the examiners and patient. 2. Sanitize your hands with alcohol-based hand rub. 3. Inform the patient about the examination and obtain consent. 4. Proceed with the examination according to the required protocol. 5. Upon completion, thank the patient and assist them in covering up or dressing, if needed. Facing the examiners. After completing your station, the examiners will ask you questions, such as: present your positive findings. What is your differential diagnosis? What could be the possible causes? How would you investigate this case? How would you manage the patient? What are the complications of this condition? Examiners aim to assess your clinical reasoning, depth of knowledge, and problem-solving skills. They may allow you to re-examine the patient for specific findings, so always be prepared for this possibility. Between stations. Managing your mindset. After completing a station, do not dwell on past performance. If you did well, keep your momentum going. If you struggled, remind yourself, the game is not over. The next station is my chance to improve. To stay focused, avoid carrying emotional baggage from the previous station. Mentally reset and shift your focus to the next task. Revisit your approach and refine your strategy for the next station. Final words. PACES is a challenging but well-structured exam. With the right preparation, smart study strategies, and a calm mindset, you can pass it within 3 to 5 months. Stay disciplined, practice consistently, and believe in yourself. Best of luck. For more detailed explanations and related topics, we invite you to watch our videos on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest educational content. Thank you.